Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a collaboration project with our design team, Sam Poole design team, and Lavish Laces. Her name is Jaizella, and she sent us a huge package with laces to use in this project, and I can't wait to show you what I created and what I was thinking. You know, I've always had this dream of going into an attic and finding something that's in a box that's hidden, and this is what I'd find. Some saved lavender, and let me move my chair over, and you look in the box and it's like someone has saved this forever and ever. So with Jaizella's lovely laces, I created this little wrap with her wide lace trim. It's very beautiful. I just glued it on the edge of this antique French letter and wrapped it around. And so you open it up and there's your little journal. And then with the lace trim that she sent, and with Sam Poole's digital kit, Garden Memories, that's what we used for the project. This is from Sam Poole's digital kit. This is flower that's coming undone. This is Lavish Laces trim that I wrapped around the journal. So the only thing in this journal is maybe some coffee stain paper, a few antique French book pages, and then some of the book pages that you'll see in here, Jaizella sent along these antique French book pages with our package. And then some of the things you'll see in here I used with this bundle that she made us, or made me. But before I open this up, I want to show you what wouldn't fit inside. I first started off with this blue ticking fabric that she sent in that bundle. Excuse me. And then I just love this lace trim. I made a pocket on the front, wrapped it around so there's a pocket in the back. And this is from Garden Memories. I added this little photo. And it's just a little fabric booklet that I put pieces of a hanky that Jaizella sent. And so each page is just little saved pieces that you might find in a memory box. All the pages are fabric. There you go. Yeah, that wouldn't fit in there. By the time I did this first, and by the time I started filling the journal, it wasn't going to happen. And so then I also created this little booklet. I downsized it, resized it, and added some of the lavender buds. And I knew if I stuck it in here, it would destroy those buds. So I'll just show it to you. So I didn't use any other kits but from Sam Poole, and then Jaizella's lovely laces and trims. So here's the journal. It's Garden Memories. And then here's a little belly band that you could put a tag in. There's some tags in here. Let me see. Where did I put those tags? We'll just get another piece of paper in there. There we go. A little belly band. And then here's part of that gorgeous hanky that she sent. And here is just another book page and garden memories. You could put seeds in here, leaves, and collect your little garden mementos. Oh, here's the tags. I thought they were in the middle. And then in this pocket, I just wrapped some of the trims, lace trims, around some antique ledger. And then this is a little flip out. I love that photo. And you could write in there. And then I thought, because Jaizella's gorgeous laces, they just look beautiful up against tea stain paper. They look beautiful up against, you know, whatever darker colors that you have in your journal. So I thought this could be a writing spot, and then you can cover it up. And then this is just a journaling card tucked in here. And some American, old antique American ledger from 1900, April 1900. Wow. And then I made 2 pockets, added some of the lace trims, and added a book page and did a little bit of collaging. But then when you open it up, there's some lace in here as well. And then here's just a printed French receipt and a book page. And in this corner tuck made out of lace is another little booklet, memories. And you can write in here as well, or keep notes. Here we go. And the garden memories has such beautiful images. You will love that kit. This just looks so like spring and happy. So I added this lace trim to the edge, and then added in one of Jaizella's book pages and another writing spot using Sam's digital. So I created a small and fairly simple journal, and so it'll be exciting to see what the other ladies on our team do. And this is just a sample card I created with some of the cotton trims, lace trims that she sent us, and created this corner tuck. And then here is a deeper pocket made with the lace, and a couple photo cards and another book page. Lots of places to write or add. And I just love this eyelet. And then in this little side tuck, another book page. And then Sam's kit also has this cute cottage where I'm assuming the garden is. And that's it. That's the back of the book. So I just had this vision of a hidden treasure wrapped in this paper, and then maybe 2 little notebooks to go with it. And thank you, Jaizella, and thank you, Sam. This is a lot of fun creating with this. lace and papers. And I hope you get to watch the other ladies when their turn comes up. And I will be back soon. So thank you for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.